Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These will help you safely open your Surface Pro 7 without causing any damage. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 7 completely. This is essential to prevent any electrical issues during the battery replacement process. Once it's off, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the device's body. Place the suction cup near the bottom edge of the device, pulling upwards while carefully inserting the plastic spudger between the screen and the body to release the clips. As you work your way around the edges, be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the screen. If you feel resistance, check for any remaining clips that need to be released. Once the screen is fully detached, set it aside on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Next, locate the battery connector. You will need to remove the screws holding it in place. Use your Torx T5 screwdriver to carefully unscrew the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. After removing the battery cover, gently lift the battery connector using the plastic spudger. This step can be delicate, so take your time to avoid damaging the connector. Now, it's time to remove the battery itself. Lift the battery out carefully, ensuring you don't disturb any nearby components. If you are not comfortable performing this task, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you determine if a battery replacement is necessary. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft brush or compressed air. This will ensure optimal performance and longevity of your device. If you don't have the tools or experience, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient way to get your Surface Pro 7 serviced. Now, place the new battery into the device, aligning it with the connector. Push down gently to ensure it seats properly. Reattach the battery connector and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. It's crucial to make sure that everything is tightly secured to prevent future issues. Next, take the screen and align it back onto the device. Press down firmly around the edges to ensure all clips snap back into place. You should hear a few clicks as the screen secures itself back onto the body. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 7 to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is in order, you have successfully replaced the battery. If you encounter any issues, remember to reach out for a quote before repair to avoid unnecessary costs. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can give your Surface Pro 7 a new lease on life. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.